guys, today we are diving into the custom plot feature in iCubeFlow. I have already set up a flow and selected our airplane dataset. But if you are unsure how to upload your own dataset yet, then definitely go and check out our upload dataset video first. So let's get started. First we click on create plot, then custom plot, and then we select our data. This will open the code editor. You will notice that we have preloaded some libraries like Pandas, NumPy, and Plotly for you. And the data is also available as df variable. You can see all the columns that we have in our selected data. You might also notice that the preview on the right hand side is blank. It is just because the pig object is currently empty. It is just waiting for you to write your logic between write your code comments. Once you do that, the plot will render instantly. So let me first generate a correlation heat map. Since we are writing the code ourselves, we have the freedom to filter out ID columns so that they don't clutter our results, which I did here. I removed the ID and UID. And also, if you're not a coder, you can use the chat option that can write the code for you. And just like that, we can see the real drivers for safety, link between inspection frequency and the safety score. Finally, you can also pick a theme like high contrast or ocean blue and you are ready to present. Thank you for watching.